Bringing it back to our first move. Cha-cha, cha-cha, hup, sassy. That's it, putting it all together, guys. Back it up with the box step. Hit it hard. Woo! Breathe, because you got that flamenco right here. Hup, ha, strong. Cha-cha, back. Here we go with the knees, guys, right away. Heel, toe, push. High on the toes. Can we do this again? This move. Have fun and play with it. Turn. Hello. Make it sexy. Go low and high. Let me see your personality come through now. Especially on this pump. Yep. There you go. Bind it up. Hands back. Shoulders. Shoulders. Give me some. Grab and rock. Take it down. Rock. Hello. Hit those hips. New part. Hit. Give me some shoulder with it. Step it out. Back to the top. Come on. Hip circles. Make it work. I don't care what you look. That's it, guys. It's all together. You're almost done with your last dance, sunshine. So bring it. Here you go. Triangle right. Hup. And side.